And I'm joined now by John Jibilian, the Associate CIO at Yale. John, you're not an academic. You're a business transformation guy, and here you are in the ivy-covered walls.
Yes, that's right. Yale's been really trying to become a much more constituent-centric institution, and ITS has really been leading the charge. Over the last year, we've really been looking at how we can really reimagine the student technology experience and think about things from the student's perspective instead of from all the functional silos that the students interact with. So traditionally, those silos have set up processes and systems for their needs as opposed to looking at what the students need. So what we launched about 6 months ago is a pilot program with Chatter Communities. And what we've been using Chatter Communities to do is to basically deliver content, conduct business transactions, and to create community among students and faculty. And it's been really exciting, not only to see how easy it's been to manipulate the technology, but also then to start getting reactions from faculty and students to what we think we can do.
Well, this is what I'm hearing from so many quarters today, is that the student arrives at university with years of habitual use on a daily basis of multi-screen, multi-stream technology, and then they walk into an academic environment that has not yet brought itself to that modern era. You are not a traditional academic, and you're also not a traditional IT guy. You're not a programmer by training, and yet you've been getting really hands-on with the stuff that you're now putting in front of the students. Can you tell us a little bit about that personal journey for you?
Sure. So we started using Salesforce about 2.5 years ago, and we basically went forward with a very block-and-tackle CRM project for our Office of International Affairs, because Yale interacts with lots of foreign dignitaries, both on campus and in terms of going to visit them. And in that process, I basically rolled up my sleeves and got into the technology and started, building, configuring on my own. And that's been really powerful for me going forward, because as I interact with, a very diverse set of on-campus customers, I'm able to really articulate how it can work for them. And I think that's really different from what it's been like for me in the past working with, big technology, where it was sort of inscrutable, right? And Salesforce is very, just very easy for me to use, me to understand. And, as I talk about what we're calling the academic hub, which is this proof of concept that we're doing for the students and faculty, I think I can tell a compelling story to, for instance, our residential college deans who are going to have to be somewhat hands-on. We're looking to them to be basically the stewards of the content and help basically, I know you guys talk about citizen developers, but actually help, establish the transactional flows in the system. And I say, I've never coded anything, and if I can do it, I think you can do it too.
Fantastic message. Thank you very much. By the way, we've got a video out there called We Are the Makers. Take a look at that. You'll find English teachers and musicians and other people, including former business transformation engineers, talking about the stuff they're building. Thanks, John. Appreciate it.